Many people, they come and they say, I want to achieve something. I said, okay, if you have achieved, what will you get? So they think. I said, think. They say, happiness. I want a better house. What will you get if you get a house? Happiness. I want a promotion in the job. What will you get if you are promoted? Happiness. If I win that competition, what will you get if you win the competition? Happiness. I want to become healthy. If you become healthy, what will you get is happiness. So in the real truth, what you are searching for is nothing else but happiness. That is very important. So whatever you do, first of all, you develop a habit of excellence and not the feeling of competition. Are you with me? Competition means what others are doing, let me do better than that. So my happiness depends upon the others. But when I develop a habit of excelling, whatever I feel is the best I can do, what is my inner consciousness say, this is best I am doing, that becomes a habit. But what others are doing, I must do better than that cannot become a habit. That becomes a stress. What is what is more important is happiness. Your happiness index, your peacefulness index, that is very important. So whatever you are doing, you must ensure that do you derive happiness? Whatever project you take up, do you derive happiness? Whatever you are doing in life, are you deriving real happiness? You want to possess something in life, are you deriving happiness and contentment or not? That is very important. So make sure that whatever you do, in the morning you say, this is what I have to do today. Then you ask yourself, if I do today what I have to do today, will it give me happiness or not?